Imagine waking up and the world is just a little softer, a little less defined. The sharp edges of your morning newspaper blur, and the names of loved ones sometimes hover just beyond your reach. This isn't just getting older, it's a silent epidemic affecting how millions experience their golden years, and almost no one is talking about it. What if I told you that the very systems responsible for your crystal clear vision and lightning fast memory are being starved? Not during your busy day, but every single night while you sleep. A groundbreaking revelation in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging exposed a shocking truth. Over 92% of adults over 65 are deficient in at least one crucial nutrient vital for nocturnal eye and brain repair. This means that night after night, your body is missing the fundamental building blocks it needs to rejuvenate memory cells and soothe tired, dry eyes. But what if there was a simple, natural way to reverse this trend, to wake up with a mind as sharp as your vision? I'm Doctor, and if you're committed to living a vibrant, sharper, and stronger life beyond 60, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the incredible power of four natural juices, scientifically proven to regenerate your brain and restore your vision as you rest. Forget expensive supplements or complicated regimens. We're talking about real foods, blended precisely, and consumed at optimal times. The impact is profound. I've witnessed patients transition from struggling with memory lapses and screen-induced eye fatigue to experiencing refreshing mornings, vibrant vision, and enhanced recall, all by simply incorporating the right juice into their evening ritual. Join me as we uncover the secrets within your body and unlock the transformative potential of these powerful elixirs. Carrot juice, the golden elixir for eyes and mind. Let's begin our journey with a humble root often overlooked, the carrot. When it comes to revitalizing vision and sharpening cognitive function, carrot juice stands as an unsung hero. It's one of nature's few beverages that directly nourishes both your retina and your prefrontal cortex, the very core of memory and focus in your brain. The magic lies in its rich beta-carotene content, which your body effortlessly converts into vitamin A. This essential vitamin is the cornerstone for maintaining the health of your retinal photoreceptor cells, enabling you to see clearly, especially in low light conditions. A deficiency here often manifests as night blindness, blurred vision, and the frustrating dry eyes so prevalent in older adults. Yet the benefits extend even further. Carrot juice is also a generous source of lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful carotenoids that form a protective shield around your macula, the area responsible for your sharp central vision. These compounds actively help your eyes recover from years of oxidative stress caused by screens and UV exposure, rather than merely preventing further damage. But the brilliance of carrot juice doesn't stop at your eyes, it's a feast for your brain too. It boasts falcarinol, a natural plant compound celebrated for its ability to safeguard neuronal membranes and reduce inflammation within brain tissue. A compelling 2021 study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience revealed that daily consumption of beta-carotene-rich juice significantly enhanced working memory and cognitive recall in seniors over 65, particularly those grappling with early signs of cognitive decline. Consider this astonishing detail from the study. Participants who consistently drank 250 milliliters of carrot juice each morning for 8 weeks experienced a remarkable 13% improvement in visual recall tests compared to the placebo group. This isn't just a number, it's the tangible difference between struggling to remember a neighbor's name and effortlessly recalling where you last placed your keys. The true secret to maximizing these benefits lies in its fat-soluble nature. Your body absorbs carrot juice's vital nutrients most effectively when paired with a healthy fat, such as a teaspoon of olive oil or a small handful of walnuts. To integrate this golden elixir into your daily routine, I recommend preparing it fresh each morning. Use 2 to 3 medium carrots, peeled and juiced, perhaps with a slice of ginger for an invigorating kick, or a squeeze of lemon for an extra dose of vitamin C. Crucially, consume it with a breakfast that includes a healthy fat. Even something as simple as whole grain toast with avocado can unlock its full potential. When your body receives this optimal fuel, your eyes awaken, your mind sharpens, and your entire day transforms. Beet juice, the crimson catalyst for circulation and clarity. It's a common misconception among those over 60 that memory loss or blurry vision are solely issues of the brain and eyes, disconnected from the body's broader systems. However, a vital, often ignored player in maintaining cognitive sharpness and visual acuity is robust blood flow. Without a strong, steady circulation, your brain and eyes are starved of the essential oxygen they desperately need to thrive and repair. This is precisely where the deep red power of beet juice enters the scene. Beets are extraordinarily rich in dietary nitrates. Upon consumption, these nitrates undergo a remarkable transformation within your body, converting into nitric oxide. This natural molecule acts as a critical messenger, signaling your blood vessels to relax and widen, a process known as vasodilation. As your blood vessels expand, a surge of oxygen-rich blood flows more freely to your brain and retina, delivering the vital fuel these delicate organs require for self-repair, especially during your nightly rest. A compelling clinical study published in the Nitric Oxide Journal in 2020 demonstrated that adults over 60 who incorporated daily beet juice into their diet experienced significantly improved cerebral blood flow, particularly within the frontal lobe, the region responsible for crucial functions like attention, decision-making, and short-term memory. The same study observed that after just 4 weeks, participants showcased faster reaction times and enhanced focus during cognitive assessments. For your eyes, nitric oxide plays an equally protective role. It diligently supports the intricate vascular network of the retina, actively working to prevent the microvascular damage that can contribute to age-related macular degeneration. Further validating its efficacy, a 2019 study in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics confirmed that increased nitric oxide production from beet juice consumption helped maintain retinal thickness and significantly reduced oxidative stress in aging subjects. What truly sets beet juice apart is its rapid action. Unlike fat-soluble compounds that require time for absorption, the production of nitric oxide from beet juice begins within a mere 30 minutes of drinking. This means the potential for sharper focus, improved blood flow, and clearer vision could be experienced within the same day. While individual results may vary, if you've been grappling with mental sluggishness, or if your eyes feel chronically tired, dull, or strained by the afternoon, this crimson elixir might be the natural revitalizing boost your body has been yearning for. I recommend preparing it with 1 medium raw beet, peeled and sliced, then juicing it with a small apple or half an orange to subtly balance its earthy notes. The optimal time to drink it is in the afternoon, between 2 and 4 p.m., precisely when many individuals experience a natural dip in energy and mental clarity. For an added boost, consider pairing it with a brisk walk to further amplify blood flow. Even on its own, a single glass daily provides your brain and eyes with the oxygen-rich blood they so desperately require. Blueberry juice, the purple powerhouse of cellular regeneration. While many foods offer protection against the ravages of time, a select few possess the extraordinary ability to actively rebuild what age has diminished. Blueberry juice falls squarely into this latter category, acting as both a guardian and a reconstructor for your most vital systems. Blueberries are nature's unparalleled source of anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that not only fiercely combat inflammation, but also stimulate neurogenesis, the remarkable process by which your body creates brand new brain cells. This isn't mere speculation, it's a scientifically validated phenomenon. A landmark 2020 study published in the Journals of Gerontology Series A demonstrated that seniors who regularly consumed wild blueberry juice for 12 weeks experienced significant improvements across various cognitive domains, including memory recall, processing speed, and even observable neural activation on MRI scans. Researchers directly linked these profound effects to anthocyanins' unique capacity to traverse the blood-brain barrier, diminish oxidative stress in the hippocampus, the brain's memory center, and bolster brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a crucial protein essential for the survival and growth of brain cells. The profound impact of blueberry juice extends equally to your eyes. Anthocyanins play a critical role in safeguarding retinal ganglion cells, which are indispensable for transmitting visual signals from your eyes to your brain. Indeed, a 2019 study from Molecular Vision confirmed that consistent intake of blueberry extract preserved retinal structure in older test subjects, even when exposed to oxidative damage. This dual action is precisely why blueberry juice is so remarkably effective. It doesn't merely slow down decline, but actively supports cellular regeneration in the very systems that underpin clear thought and sharp vision. I vividly recall a patient, Helen, age 74, who described her reading as a frustrating battle, words blurring, her brain feeling sluggish. After incorporating blueberry juice into her nightly routine, within weeks, she was joyfully immersed in her crossword puzzles once more. Her mind sharp, focused, and her spirits visibly lifted. If you're inspired to experience this revitalization, I recommend blending about 1 cup of fresh or frozen wild blueberries with a little water or half a banana for a thicker consistency. The ideal time for consumption is in the evening, approximately 90 minutes before bed. This timing aligns perfectly with your brain's natural nightly repair cycle. allowing these potent nutrients to go directly to work when they are most needed. While blueberry juice isn't a miraculous overnight cure, providing your brain and eyes with these essential building blocks empowers them to respond, to rebuild, and to thrive, even after years of wear and tear. Spinach juice, the humble green elixir for lasting clarity. Often underestimated, spinach stands as one of the world's most powerful foods for both brain and eye health. When transformed into juice, its full potential is unleashed, offering a concentrated dose of restorative nutrients. Spinach is densely packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two crucial carotenoids that are literally stored in the macula, the central region of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. As we age, the concentration of these protective pigments naturally diminishes, leaving the macula vulnerable to oxidative stress, UV damage, and inflammation, which are primary culprits behind blurry vision and macular degeneration. However, spinach juice offers more than just protection, it actively supports functional repair. A compelling 2020 study published in Nutrients revealed a direct correlation between higher blood concentrations of lutein and zeaxanthin, derived from leafy greens, and improved contrast sensitivity and visual processing speed, particularly in older adults. In essence, regular intake helps you see clearer and process visual information more rapidly. Beyond its ocular benefits, spinach is a powerhouse for brain health, largely due to its high folate content. Folate, a vital B vitamin, is essential for the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are critical for mood regulation and motivation. More significantly, folate plays a crucial role in regulating homocysteine, a compound that, in elevated amounts, is toxic to brain cells and strongly implicated in cognitive decline. A randomized trial in 2018, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, demonstrated that older adults with low folate levels consistently performed worse on memory and attention tests. When dietary folate was restored, their cognitive function measurably improved. Spinach also provides vitamin K, which is integral to maintaining the integrity of brain cell membranes and plays a key role in myelin formation, the protective sheath around neurons that enables faster signal transmission. What truly elevates spinach juice to an extraordinary level is its synergistic profile. A perfect harmony of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential vitamins that collectively protect, nourish, and even reactivate dormant neural pathways. There is, however, a small consideration. Spinach contains oxalates, which can interfere with calcium absorption and may not be ideal in large quantities for individuals with kidney issues. Therefore, moderation in juicing is key. I recommend using 1 large handful of raw spinach, combined with a green apple or half a cucumber to mellow its distinct flavor. Juice it fresh and consume it mid-morning or before lunch, when your body can optimally absorb its nutrients without interference from heavy meals. Even a small glass can deliver a noticeable rush of clarity to your vision and thoughts. Crafting your daily elixir routine. Having explored the individual power of these 4 remarkable juices, let's now weave them into a simple, gentle, yet profoundly effective daily routine. A blueprint I share with my own patients. The secret lies in harmonizing with your body's innate rhythms. Your eyes and brain undertake their most intensive repair work during sleep, but they also experience peaks of activity throughout the day, particularly in the morning and late afternoon. This strategic timing ensures maximum benefit. Begin your day with carrot juice, consumed shortly after waking. This provides your retina with the essential vitamin A and carotenoids it needs to reset and achieve optimal focus for the day ahead. If you take medication, simply enjoy it after your first light meal. In the early afternoon, specifically between 2 and 4 p.m., embrace the power of beet juice. This is typically when energy levels dip and circulation naturally slows. A small glass can swiftly restore mental sharpness and enhance blood flow precisely when your brain needs it most. As evening approaches, approximately 90 minutes before bedtime, reach for blueberry juice. This timing is crucial as it helps activate antioxidant pathways in your brain, boosts BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, and actively protects your retinal nerves while you sleep, facilitating deep nocturnal repair. Finally, spinach juice is best integrated earlier in the day, around mid-morning or with lunch. Its rich folate, vitamin K, and lutein content support both neurotransmitter balance and macular repair, absorbing most efficiently when your stomach is neither too full nor too empty. You don't need to consume all 4 juices every single day. Feel free to rotate them. 2 juices a day can be perfectly adequate, or you might focus on 1 for a full week before switching. Consistency, not perfection, is the guiding principle. These juices are not magic pills. They are powerful natural tools that, over time, restore the intricate internal systems that modern life so relentlessly wears down. the delicate blood vessels in your retina, the vital communication lines between brain cells, and the memory circuits dulled by stress, inflammation, or the natural passage of time. While you may not perceive immediate changes on day one, sustained commitment is key. Healing is a gradual process that unfolds when you consistently support your body, one small step at a time. It's never too late, a path forward. If you've journeyed with me to this point, I extend my heartfelt gratitude. Your presence here signals something profound. You're not merely seeking another health tip. You hold a belief, or at least a fervent hope, that it is not too late. Not too late for your eyes to regain their clarity, for your memory to return with renewed vigor, for your body even now to heal and revitalize. And you are unequivocally right. For over 3 decades, I've had the privilege of guiding older adults, some in their 60s, others well into their 80s, who once felt they had lost too much to ever recover, too many forgotten names, too many blurred lines, too many moments where the world seemed to recede. Yet, I have borne witness to the extraordinary power of small, consistent daily choices to entirely transform their experience. A simple glass of carrot juice each morning, beet juice in the afternoon to awaken the brain, blueberry juice before bed to nurture neural rest and rebuilding, and spinach juice to fuel your focus and vision throughout the day. This isn't a miracle, but it is momentum, and often momentum is precisely what your body needs, a little consistent, caring support. So if today is the day you decide to embark on this journey, to try even just one juice, to make even one small change, then you have already initiated something profoundly powerful. The truth is, your brain and your vision have not abandoned you. They are merely waiting for you to provide them with the nourishment they desperately need. And it all begins with what you choose to pour into your glass. Thank you for dedicating your valuable time to me today. If this video has offered you insight, hope, or a fresh perspective, I would be deeply honored if you would tap the like button and share it with someone you care about. For more gentle, science-backed strategies to maintain sharpness and strength after 60, I encourage you to subscribe. We consistently release new videos, always crafted with individuals like you in mind. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried any of these juices? Which one excites you the most? Let us continue to learn, to heal, and above all, to believe that our very best years are still within our grasp. I'm Dr. James Porter. Until next time, stay well and remain curious.